Now legislative day, Monday 31st of March 2025. Inside the Wewak, I'm experiencing the big rain wind, the big downpour. I'm come up and destroying plenty parts of the Wewak town. So this I'm really updates from the here long East Coast the Wewak, down below long Sawarin, lo Kombiko block backside the Peringa market. So if you are looking really good updates, lo one of them damages come up long here. You are looking more banana na or kumu ogoda kango now yet even looking what I became all standard it lower last red what sambla taro na kaukau all sink ogoda completely. So this la water storm water sir result plus storm water sem kam calvet inside le lo bamasaka block. So water overflow na come down and affecting me what the block man very loya lo kombiko blocks lo sawarin just up backside the Peringa market. So this land big damage threat. Midland is facing this like flood now. I'm first of its kind. I'm go over flood over also. Water level I'm rise. I'm reaching all post house. Some house some sink finish. This is our small kitchen. As you guys can see, it's completely submerged now. You cannot see the step ladder which is completely in the water. So this rain am come flood am bagarabim plant is anim the mibla street and bagarabim house kagaru pato house the mibla bunny pig the mibla float over the banana na garden kai gai the mibla kaukau na taro kumu mibla plani mogor sanin wara bagarabim lo hasta night nam nogad now planti blow properties domla tight karmigo one and plan left or mibla ina lugilo morning nambla save him mibla save him kitchen house wara gonset street bagarabim mogor sanin plani sanin bagarab samla sanin float la night night but morning hours. You like and look him full block over the block full block over the sink outside side big block na inside lilik block two full sink over there. So at the back of me it's my house. As you people can see, it's sinking. Our poultry house at the back of me was destroyed by the rain and the wind from the previous nights. So now as you people can see, it's completely damaged. And this is our pig, used to be over there, but because of the flood, rainwater come, Rausim Banis pig and plot, have to move him can settle him layer. Mama Kagaruguan and round star, pipe la picnic Kagarug over and them die. So anyways, that was me, your boy Nemo Black, with a weather report of us here at East Coast of Wewak. I see you all in the next one. Peace out.